Hey there, Titans! Welcome back to another Titan Academy course. During the following course, we will learn how to configure and use widgets in our Titan web projects. Widgets are very powerful tools that you can embed in any web project and that can allow you to do pretty spectacular things. Over here, I have a few examples of some of the widgets that we will be covering in the course. Firstly, we have the SmartV Sign-in widget, which allows you to place this on any page in your website and log into SmartV using this. We have the file viewer, which allows you to view pretty much any type of file you want to view, including images, PDF files, Word files, and Excel files. We have the barcode generator and scanner, which allow you to respectively generate barcodes and scan them. You can use this for event registration and scanning at the event. And we have Google integrations, such as the Address Finder and the Google Map. The Google Map allows you to place an interactive map on your website, and the Address Finder allows you to search for any address you would like. Join me in this course, and we will learn how to configure these, some best practices, and we will explore some use cases for the various widgets. And that's how it's done.